Hi Hans, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out on any video. Anonymous from Nelly Tembe's family sent MacG an email saying Nelly suffered cheating and abuse when she was with AKA. Then Anonymous went on to say it all started last year when she had mentioned she wanted to take her own life. For it has been said Nelly found sexual messages in AKA's phone and that he was having an affair with DaL.E.S baby mama, also sleeping around with other women. Check the video and listen to Anonymous from Tembe's family.
Hi, my name is Anonymous from Tembe family in KZN. I'm writing this to you, hope and prayer that you will tell the truth. I feel very disappointed and hurt about the Nelly situation. I feel we cannot simply ignore nor tell the truth. Nelly was suffering in a relationship. She struggled with cheating and abuse from Keenan. It started last year. She had mentioned to me that she tried to take her life after finding out he was sleeping with other women. But what really shook Nelly was when she found out sexual messages on her phone of AKA and the DaL.E.S baby mama. She was devastated. The messages broke her heart. It was all there in plain sight. AKA was having an affair with Aurelia, the DaL.E.S baby mama, was very much involved and still in a relationship with the DaL.E.S. They have a daughter together. Keenan has been to multiple birthday parties for their baby. Keenan had sent Aurea 20,000 rands to silence her after she was feeling guilty and wanted to tell the DaL.E.S. Keenan sent her money, but Nelly found the messages and communication about the situation, and she immediately called the DaL.E.S to tell him, and she sent him all the screen grabs. The DaL.E.S confronted Keenan and the two stopped speaking. Nelly says she felt betrayed. He was hurt, broken, completely cut out Keenan. Everyone knows the story. It's not a secret amongst the Joburg North circles. He planned to shoot a music video with him, but then he cancelled after finding out Keenan was sleeping with his girlfriend. The DaL.E.S also lost his father, but Keenan never attended the funeral. Today they are enemies, but Keenan didn't stop there. He made Nelly feel guilty. He blamed her for the fallout with the DaL.E.S and he kept shouting at her about it. He had also introduced Nelly to a life of drugs and alcohol. They took a lot of coke together with Keenan's close friends. Nelly has told us many times that she was suicidal and she couldn't handle the abuse from Keenan. Nelly was not well mentally. He made her feel small and she was like his lapdog, even though she came from a reputable family. I mean, my uncle is a billionaire. Nelly didn't need AKA after all. Her life was set. From our point of view in the family, Keenan was looking to secure himself. We had a lot of doubts about him from the beginning, especially my brothers. What he did to DjZinhle was questionable, cheating on her with Bonang while she was pregnant. Who can ever forget that publicity, insulting his mother about the situation on Twitter? I really believe DjZinhle and Bonang know a lot. We don't. They've been through the most form of abuse. She couldn't do it anymore. I thought she was overreacting when she said she was suicidal, but I'm hurt and knowing that South Africa AKA will probably get away with it, but he knows what he did to her. He was the only one with her. Why did she kill herself after being engaged just a few days ago? It was all for show. After everything on social media is for show. Nothing is real. People post happy things but suffer daily. What they did argue about, and why was she naked and left to die? I have so many questions for him. I'll never forgive him. His ex-manager committed suicide last week. Nobody's asking why. The Hawks need to get involved. They need to take him and her for a drug test. They need to get Nelly's phone. The proof is all there. She spoke to multiple people about her struggles. Hashtag justice for Nelly. Please investigate the truth. Stop feeling sorry for a killer and an abuser who took Nelly from us. Tell people the truth. From Anonymous.